Alright, so we're demonstrating the two TADs in the palatal area along the midline suture, and we're just putting the flowable composite over the top part as a bit of a cushion, and cure it. That's great. So this is the first time we've placed two implants in instead of just the one, and we're going to see how that works. And if we wanted to sharpen it up, I suppose we could leave the composite a little more pointy and adjust it as needed. But that's the essence of the appliance. So we'll chat with you soon.